Hi, everybody. My name is Sarah Straub, and this is my first year at SFA. I'm going to be going through this really quickly, so if anything pops up and you want to have a conversation with me later, please make sure you stop by my office, 201H. So this is my favorite picture of me. I think it showcases what I value as a human. I love traveling, and I love nature, and this is me in Death Valley. So while I've traveled a lot and been to 27 different countries, I call home the ones that are shown on this map. So various states on the East Coast, a couple of countries in Europe, and Houston and Nacogdoches now. My family is a really interesting story. I love history, so I love getting to know the story of my family. I know a little bit about my dad's side, but for this video, I'm going to focus on my mom's side, which is a major influence for me. We are strongly Italian-American. This is my nonna from Italy, and this is my sister and I on her lap. She's so cute. My sister is Aubrey. That's Aubrey. That's me. The Italian side, again, is super strong. My grandmother, Marilyn Carolyn Mary Marcel Guido, is who I strive to be as a woman. Again, you want to know, just stop by and ask me. This is my family in Italy. My cousin Teresa, who's also a twin. There are 6 sets of twins in my family, and that's my brother Eric. These are my cousins in North Carolina, and this is part of my family doing one of our traditions, which is to make homemade raviolis for Easter. I also think that family can be made. This is my sister Guadalupe from Trujillo, Spain. My twin sister also studied abroad there, and she has a different family with Victoria, but my mom and my dad and my brother's wife have been to Spain several times with me and my sister to get to know our Spanish families. And my sister even got married in Trujillo to a Trujillano. I also have this maid family from Houston. I needed them my first year. Because family is so strong for me, it was very, very difficult for me to move to a place where I knew nobody. So I worked really hard to create a new one. And they're there. I love them all. And this is my soccer family. Soccer has been a huge part of my life, whether I've been a player or a coach, and this is the most recent team that I've coached. This is a family that you will know. This is Kuma, who Deborah knows really well from the summer, and this is Chuck. In terms of school experiences, I have done public schools, Catholic schools, private schools, and I have worked in a charter school, so I have a lot of varied experience when it comes to schools and schooling, and I feel like that is a huge strength of mine. This is from my high school at the alumni game. I am the lone girl on the team for the alumni game. For college, I went to College of Charleston, and I triple majored in history, Spanish, and political science. These 2 experiences that I'll talk about later have majorly influenced who I am as a person. Hi, Grandma. For my master's, I did a Euromaster program where I got to pick different countries in Europe to focus on. So I did 1 semester in the Czech Republic and 1 semester in Madrid. And I ended up graduating from UNC Chapel Hill. The cool thing about this program is I was the only student who was bilingual, and everybody else spoke 3 or more languages. I took some time off to work, and then I started working on my doctorate, where I graduated from the University of Houston under Dr. Cameron White, just like Lauren. Hi, Lauren. And for the cultural experiences I was touching on, this is it. Traveling to Spain for the first time, meeting my new family, and meeting my amazing friends just changed my life. It gave me a new language, and it opened up my world. And this man right here is the one who did it. His name is Luis Villa. He passed away recently, but he was the one who made Spanish accessible to me. Studying the Romani in the Czech Republic also made me transition from a government leaning towards education. And this picture I'm just showcasing because of all of my faux pas from my travels to Morocco. I was studying Arabic at the time, and I didn't cover my hair and I didn't cover my skin. And I learned from that trip that I need to be aware and respectful of the places that I'm going, and I can't just force myself on people. So even if it was a failure, it was a learning failure, so I'll take it. Houston also was a ton of different cultures and a huge learning opportunity for me. So if you want to hear about Houston and me, stop by 201H. Moving forward, I am starting at SFA this fall. I am so excited to grow as a professional and to learn more about research. I am also starting my new adventures in home ownership. So if you have any input or advice, or you want to stop by, just let me know. Thank you so much. I am super excited about this opportunity. Axum Jacks.